Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with a Heart, and I have a project to do with you guys today. But first, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I discovered about my ATG. So I've been having lots and lots of problems with it. The tape I got was from Tape Jungle, I want to say. Anyway, I went and I looked into the box that I got from them that I've been using, and I noticed something that, see this is the one I've been trying to use. And then in my box, there were, most of them were this smaller plastic. Do you see the difference? So these larger plastic ones were not fitting my ATG. So I'm going to have to look through and see if I have any more of these in that same box. But they sent me basically the wrong core, and that was why it was not staying on there. Once I put this little one in there, this little piece that's supposed to locked immediately. It just never locked on this and was just falling off because it was such a large core. So I'm glad I solved the problem, but wow, how frustrating. So the card I'm using today, I'm using the Magical Friends set from Grading Farm because I'm going to be doing sort of, I guess, my version of a St. Patrick's Day card. I mean, I don't really do St. Patrick's Day cards necessarily, but it's along those lines. And so I'm starting off with some Lawn Fawn plaid paper. This is A2 size, 5.5 by 4.25. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that down. Oh, it's changing my life already. Just tell the difference immediately. I knew something was wrong, but I couldn't figure out what it was. So here we go. And then I've got this piece, which is also Lawn Fawn. It's like this polka dot paper that they have that I think goes really nicely with it. And so for this project, I am combining stamps with my Cricut. So first of all, on this polka dot paper, I've gone ahead and stamped my sentiment, which is from the stamp set. So Hope Today is all rainbows and unicorns. I think that's super cute. And then I've got my Cricut cut with my rainbow and my pot of gold. I believe this is from the Simply Charmed cartridge. Let's go ahead and do this. I got this all on foam. And this is a really, really cute cut. I just use scraps. I have a like a bag of scraps that I keep next to my Cricut that I try to get through. I get these little pieces of paper here. Okay, now I've got my cute little unicorn girl right here. I'm going to go ahead and get this off. This is also on foam. And pieces right there. And what I did with hers, I colored her with my Copic markers, all in shades of pink. I used RV and R. What I had in my, and then I took some of my Stardust, I think it's Stardust, no, it's Diamond Stickles, and just a little stickling on her hair just to give her some shimmer. I guess you can see that. And there you go. There's my very cute little card. I think you use this for all kinds of things. I think it'd be a really cute kid's birthday card too. Isn't that cute? Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.